Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Rhine Global School, I'd like to firstly wish each one of you a very blessed new year, 2021. I pray that it will bring you hope, a restoration, and lots and lots of joy and safety and stability. On behalf of all of us at the Rhine Global School, I'd like to also welcome you to the first ever PYP Virtual Exhibition 2020-21. As I welcome you, I'd like to take this time to thank God for each one of our young graduates. Our young graduates in this year have shown, demonstrated almost every profile there is, learner profile there is, the IBO has in their terminology. Our kids have got together, pulled themselves together and showed, if there's one thing that I've seen, it's resilience. They have taught us what it is, that in spite of the circumstances, to rise above it and produce your best. And if there's one thing I can say about the passion projects of this year, it's truly real. They have been real about their passions and they have demonstrated that in and through their projects. I want to thank Christ for this time, this opportunity, this gift of life that we have, and thank God for Sir, Chairman Sir, Dr. F. Pinto, and Managing Director, Madam Grace Pinto, who through their renewed, continuing encouragement and motivation and support enable us to just keep going forward in the direction that we have to accomplish the goal laid before us in educating our kids to the best way possible. I thank God for our educators, our mentors, our facilitators, who not just within the school through our teachers, but also through the community outside, who through being interviewed, being surveyed, just were able to contribute to their projects, to the projects of our young graduates. And as I welcome you to this, I want to congratulate our young graduates on behalf of all of us at Rhine Global. This year will be remembered. This batch will be remembered very significantly because in spite of the odds against you, you were able to put forth what your passions are really about. And you didn't just put forth a shoddy thing. You put forth a project that can sustain itself in the real world out there. Advik already has an NGO in his building to help save stray dogs. We have Jaiveer who used the social media to leverage awareness for saving the marine life and oceans. So we have ample examples in that. We have a student who did work on art restoration. I wouldn't be able to even imagine the variety of topics that the kids have themselves chosen. Nobody even provoked them. It is something that was initiated by the kids, and that is what IB is about. That is what I enjoy about this approach to learning. All of us are very encouraged and enthused with this whole approach to learning and demonstrated in our kids and through by them really in just picking up the topics that they really felt about, they wanted to do something about and acted it out as well. They adopted a variety of skills and strategies to put forth in their projects, and what you see today, I really pray and hope that you will encourage them, leave comments on them. I'm so excited because it's the first time ever on the IB page that our kids have featured. All of our kids of the PYP graduates 2020-21 have featured on the PYP exhibition page on the IB site. And so this really encourages our efforts. This really encourages the efforts put in by you, dear parents, as well as our teachers and the students as well. So on behalf of everyone, I want to thank God for you and the support given to our students to ensure that they put their best foot forward. The future is safe and it is secure because the key is in their hands and they have solutions. And we are so encouraged with what we see, with what we have seen even in the process for the project, that we are grateful that the life skills are being developed in them. And on that note, as I declare the PYP exhibition for 2020-21 open, the first virtual PYP exhibition open, I want to thank God for each one of you and thank you for your support and encouragement, dear parents. And on behalf of all of us at Rhine Global School, wishing you a very blessed year again.